Welcome back to the Cake Trail. In today's class, I'm joined by two lovely ladies who wanted to explore the art of cake decorating. Together, we're turning simple cake layers into stunning decorations, learning how to stack, fill, and smooth buttercream like a pro. It's always such a joy to share my passion and see others discover the fun in decorating. So, let's get started.
So take each cake layer, unwrap each cake layer, and put a bit of buttercream on your cake boards. Using your spatula, put a bit of buttercream. That's going to adhere the cake to the board. Now, taking the flat side of the cake, just put the flat side of the cake on the board.
Is this enough?
That's enough. This is too much. You need to spread it. Yes. And make sure it's flat. If not, your cake will be it's wobbly.
Okay, and I need to spread it.
That's yours is good, but you just need yes. Okay. Now take. So you need the bottom on the cake. Let it sit firmly, and voila. Yep.
Okay. And this one goes the other way.
So we're going to fill. So right now, we're going to stack, fill, stack, crumb coat, and apply the final layer. So what you've just done is just putting your first cake layer on your cake board. Now you're going to fill, which is the sandwich that's going to hold the second cake layer. So let's fill. I'm just gonna fill it back with buttercream for you. Do a dam around the cake.
Like on the top?
Yes, on the top. And then you can put your second layer on it. At this point, we're gonna put the cakes in the fridge so the buttercream between the layers firm up and you don't have your layers moving around. For you, this is a very neat stack. You don't have to do anything. But for you, you need to just go around your cake. Okay, like this. So that it's even. So we'll put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes and then we'll crumb coat, right?
Okay.
So the next step is to chill your cake after crumb coating. So you chill the cake for about 10 minutes in the fridge. So the cakes are chilled. You could actually touch it. Now, do you feel the buttercream come off? No, because it's chilled. So what you're going to do is apply the final buttercream coating. So take your pipe, pin buds, and then you're going to go around the cake. You can start either from the top or from the bottom. So a nice helping.
And just scrape.
Yes, and scrape. So it needs to be at an angle.
Did I use up all of them?
You don't have to, but if you need, yes. You're doing very well. You're doing really good.
Thank you.
And so at this point, you can use your spatula. This excess is going to impede. So you just take it off.
Okay.
And then you go around it again. For the very top, you're going to use your angled spatula. Keep it straight and go this way.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, you're doing very well.
Thank you.
Really good. So this is where you look at the gaps and add more to areas that are lacking. Well, this is actually very, very, like, you both are not on beginner level. Like, it's amazing. You both are not on beginner level. This is really very good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you do this on your own at home?
I think so. If you tell us what the mixture is.
The buttercream?
Yeah, the ratio. We just need to
You have another course, buttercream foundation. Yes, you could sign up for the buttercream, and you could also sign up for the cake. Actually, the cake. So this is just basic decorating, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I do have the buttercream course, I have the fondant course, and I have the cake courses with different recipes. So yeah, and you get a discount because you've actually had one class with me, so you get a discount. That's beautiful. So looking forward to seeing you back here.
Yeah.
We'll keep this in the fridge for another 10 minutes. And why do you think we're putting it in the fridge?
So it'll fix again.
So it's that. Yes, that's why we're putting it for the fridge. And we'll put it in the fridge for another 10 minutes. And then we can add the final touches to it, yes. So the trick to getting straight edges on the top is by trimming off the top of the cake. You could do it with a sharp knife. You could do it with this. Or you could do it with a spatula. Some people just take a spatula and inwards, so you can see it's okay. While some people will take a knife, a sharp knife, run it under hot water, and so you have in your piking bars, you have your piking tip, or tacking tip, and whatever design you want to do. You could freestyle by just piping, or you could do a shell. For instance, you could, right, at the border. Is that something you can do? Oh my days. That's okay. That's okay. Let's get the excess off. So you are just doing a straight line. But this is what you want to do. You want to do this. Right? So in separate motions, that looks nice. Yes. Now you turn it not too fast, gently. Yeah. And you can take it up. So here, on the top, you could just go up, down, up, down. Okay. Okay, good. So this is called a shell. Yes. No. So for you, you're doing up, down, up, down. The more you press, the more pressure you apply, gives it this really, and then the lift. Oh, yes, yeah. Good. You need to apply more pressure because you can see thinning out. Yes, but you have to be gentle with it. Yep. Keep going. Not too high, not too high. Good. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
You can also do rosettes around. So round, round. You think you can do that?
I can try.
That looks beautiful. I'm almost running out. No, you're not. You have more than enough. Okay. Good. Now take it higher so it meets. Good. That's very good. Yes. Now, do you want to do rosettes? Or do you just want to do this? A baby's cake. So do you want to just do like drapes?
Oh, okay.
There are lots of things you can do. For instance,
okay, I can try.
oh, okay. Yeah, so you could just and curve. Yes, good. What else is a guy style for a boy? You can write his initials on it. So, what's his initial? You doing it for a kid's birthday?
Yeah.
Okay, just write his initial. So, some people would like to trace, so you can actually just write the initial. What's his initial? Okay.
Thing you're doing.
No, look, it's cute. Like this. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what you do. So you follow it. What do you want to write on yours? Yeah, this is beautiful. Now, if you had color, but you said you wanted yours just white, but if you had color, you know, it will really pop. But this is also nice for starters.
Yeah.
So, do you want to do anything on this one? You want to write your initial? It's for you, right?
Always had.
Oh, that's also. Or you can write S.
Yeah. And then you can actually do.
That's lovely. That's so beautiful. And so it's a wrap. Thank you for joining me in this beautiful class. I'm sure you guys have learned a thing or two. Yeah, it's been really, really, really fun. Yeah, I agree. Would you like to share something that stood out for you in the class?
I think it was the final coating. I like how, like, I didn't envision the cake coming out this flat and set as I'm a beginner, but like the final coating really did it for me. And now it looks so smooth. No one will know that this is my first time doing this. So, yeah, that was what stood out for me.
How about you?
I think everything, because I always used to watch your videos and it always looks so easy, like especially piping. And then when I started, it was like it was jumping off.
Yeah, you need skills, guys.
Yes, skills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of practice. So lots of practice. Yes. And these are things you can do. You know, friends coming over, like it's for your friend's birthday, your friend's kid's birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you know, just it's for me it's relaxing. And I love to see how different ingredients can just come together into something unique and a masterpiece. So thank you.
Yeah, it's been amazing. Check out the cake trail. Clear, subscribe. Turn on the guys like that. The link below.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Oh, this is lovely.